जब पशुओं को मिलेगा प्यार और मिल्को मोर पशु आहार तो दूध बहेगा, मुनाफा बढ़ेगा।
मिल्को मोर पशु आहार।
What's a good thing about Gen Z generation and what's the bad one?
I think there's something beautiful about every generation. What I've noticed with Gen Z is they're extremely focused, and they're very work driven. And bad, I would not say anything bad, but yes, I would say they are very casual sometimes in their approach, which is also a very good thing. They don't get attached to anything like us millennials. So I think that's also a silver lining.
Content creator and influencer, दोनों के बीच आपको क्या difference लगता है?
Very good question. I think the lines are very blurred. आजकल सबको influencer भी है, content creator भी है. But I would say a content creator is specifically somebody who's creating content, focusing on creating curated content, अपना organic भी and brands के लिए भी. An influencer is somebody who just enjoys the overall popularity in the society, and without doing much, they have a great following. Yes, but they also have their other professions, but are not just focused on creating content.
प्रोफेशन की बात आई तो अगर आप मॉम इन्फ्लुएंसर नहीं होती तो क्या होती, क्या प्रोफेशन आप चूज करती?
Well, a lot of people don't know this, but I am a PR and marketing professional with 10 years of experience, having handled some of the biggest brands in the country, much like the platform that, Jagran, and I've worked with pretty much all agencies, all top agencies, which I can't name right now, but I think I would have stuck to that career.
So being a mom influencer, आपने कोई difficulty face करी है like अपनी बेबी को upbringing में?
Not really. I think being a mom influencer has its perks also. So there's no difficulty in bringing up the child. We in fact get better exposure. We get introduced to new things very quickly and concepts. So it's a win-win situation. Yes, life definitely gets very, very busy sometimes. So it's a full-fledged career, and sometimes we cannot spend the kind of time we want to with the children.
So you're looking very pretty. तो अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ, अगर आपको अपने आउटफिट को रेट करना हो तो 10 में से 10 में से कितने मार्क्स?
My designer is standing right there, so I'll have to rate my outfit 10 out of 10.
छोटी सी गेम है, never have I ever. So never have I ever didn't get paid for promoting a brand or product.
Of course, I have not initially when we started. I think initial days are the same for everyone. I remember I've shot for a brand where they sent me a packet of diapers and I even shot for them.
Never have I ever paid followers.
Yeah, I think this whole game is very murky. Everybody knows what everyone's doing. So stay as authentic as possible. अगर brand को पैसे खर्च करने हैं तो करने दो.